This is NH Hotel, from where you can take the cable car to the Sky Lounge. Here is the advertisement. The location is prime. There you can see there is a road, just 5 minutes walk to the Náměstí Smíchov. Figaro Suits, the place where we stayed the last time. An Indian restaurant just 100 meters away. Let's go to our Airbnb. A little 100-meter climb up. This place is of Superhost. It's a key just less than 100 meters up from the NH Hotel. This is the NH Hotel. In. You tap the fob. There is another door. We will take the stairs up. This is just one floor. All the lights are auto. The lights will come on. The entrance is the video door for in case your guest wants to come. He has provided a retro style cabinet. All the amenities, shoe polish, including the phone charger, is provided. It's given a high quality press, vacuum, shoe rack, umbrella, ironing board, drying board, some hangers. This is the washroom area. Let's check out the bathroom first. Bath soap and shampoo are provided. Hair dryer including the nail cutter is also provided. Basket, fully functional washing machine with washing powder is also provided. That's the quality of a Superhost. Let's check out the main living room. Fully laminated wooden flooring, air condition controls. This is actually a sofa cum bed, but it's mostly used as a bed. TV with Netflix. It's a large TV, a desk, lamp, fully functional kitchen, fridge, refrigerator. The host also provided with some veggies and ice cubes. All the utensils potentially a person can use are provided. All premium quality stuff. Cutlery. He also provided with the capsule operated machine, and he provided 4 capsules for our 4 nights of stay. A microwave oven, including a control to manage your lights. This is just excellent. All the knives. Let's check out the balcony or the patio. This is a barbecue. Currently he has covered it. Some cushions if you want, and a large patio outside balcony area, which you will not find in most of the Airbnbs or including even the hotels. This is an outdoor area. The backyard view from here is not very nice, but then the outside of his house, but then overall this apartment is fully decked up. You can even host a party here. Use the cushions. Let's get in. There is the air condition controls. Overall, this is a 10 on 10 apartment. I would definitely visit the next time I'm here.